Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn a Facebook post into an ad. Let's jump over to my ad manager and I'll start right now. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and click that create button. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a brand awareness ad that will get more people to see my brand and know what I'm about here in my local community. Just go ahead and name these real quick. And hit continue. So I don't have to worry about any special ad categories because I'm not doing anything for credit, employment, housing, or social issues. If you were going to be, you would need to choose the correct category. And this all looks good, so I'm going to click next. Now I'm in my ad set area where I determine who I want to see this. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the budget at $5 and let's go ahead and make this a local ad. So I'm going to use people living in or recently in this location. I'm just going to leave it there at the default. I live in an area where people will visit the beach from other parts of the state and surrounding states. And if they've got money to vacation, I want them to see my ad. That looks good. Now I'm just going to adjust the ages here. That should be enough for Facebook to be able to figure out who I'm looking to show this ad to. I'm going to go ahead and put in English. Okay, that looks good. I'll leave Instagram in there, why not? Just want that to be in the feeds. All right, that looks good. It's a small audience, but I'm just going to run a short awareness campaign. Good. All right, let's see now. I want to choose the correct page. Now here's where I can choose whether I want to create the ad, use an existing post, or use a Creative Hub mockup. So here's where I'm going to choose use existing post. And now I can select the post. Here it is. Just click continue. Now I do want people to click send message and ask me anything if they want to. So I'm going to leave that there. And what I want to do is also, I'm going to set up a Ask Me Anything bot in my ManyChat account. So I'm going to go ahead and use advanced setup. Now, if you wanted to, you could turn it into a lead ad or and create a chat or start conversations and that sort of thing, but I've created a custom solution for myself, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab it right here. It's just a simple Ask Me Anything bot that I created that gets people to engage a little bit just by asking them, hey, if you'd like to ask a question, and then also would you like to be notified if I create new content, and then lets them know that I'll get back to you ASAP. It's just a quick, easy bot to use. So what I'm going to do is come back over here to Growth Tools and grab that code right here. And I'm going to put it right in here. In Advanced Setup, I click Edit. Oops. Just made more work for myself by clicking bad. Hold on. Get all that out of there. Now it says empty JSON, so I go ahead and hit paste. And there we go. Thank you for your interest in messenger marketing, and give them the opportunity to ask a question. Save that template as ask me anything. And then save and finish. All right, perfect. Now I've got my pixel set up. So it looks like I am ready to go. So that is how you just go ahead and use a post as an ad. You simply select it there in that third tab where you create your ad, right here in the ad setup. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click publish. It's in review. Perfect. All right, thanks for watching. And if you do have any questions about anything, I've left my Ask Me Anything link down below in the description, so feel free to contact me there.